What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're almost at 21K. I don't know why I keep saying this because the channel keeps growing and the channel engagement is pretty good. I'm surprised. So thank you very much, guys, for always sticking around. And hopefully that last video you guys saw of, we detailing or pretty much claying and waxing the car will get you guys to actually take care of your paint more. I've always wanted to take care of my paint, but it's just like I never had clean paint to take care of, which is what I said in the previous video. I told my brother, like, since a lot of people are asking like how to like keep your car clean, I guess we're probably gonna have a series of us doing it. Well, mainly my brother and everything, but it'll be a lot more better than the previous video. He's starting to drive soon, so he bought a lot more products to like take care of his car and everything like that. And they're in these boxes. But I guess we'll start off with some. I haven't really been ordering that much stuff. People have been sending me stuff. Well, besides the Summit Racing box and these two my brother ordered. These two packages right here are from Jbtuned. Check him out. He sent me a lot of stuff. He sent me the clutch line and fittings and everything like that. But check out his site, and we're gonna open these two. I already got ahead, well, got carried away and opened this because he's like, hey, I sent you a surprise, but I actually paid for it, so he kind of lied to me. Thanks anyways. So this is for my fuel line setup. I think I told you guys I was gonna redo my fuel setup and tuck the fuel filter behind the manifold, the ITBs. So it's a lot cleaner, it's not hanging off the shock tower. And he sent me some -6 fittings. More -6 fittings. But I think I might need a 90, but I think I have all that. And he sent me these. Now he sent me two of these. One's gonna be for my fuel return and one's gonna be for the fuel feed. And one thing that's cool about this, I actually already opened up one of them just to see because they look so cool. So this is like a quick disconnect fitting for like pretty much like fuel or any type of like liquid and stuff. It has -6 fittings on the end. So what you do is push down. Where you see this clip, push down. Wait. Push down, turn it like that, and it comes right out. And it seals itself, that nothing's gonna come out of that. So if you guys want these, check out his site. They're 50 bucks each, but they are worth it. If you ever want to take off your intake manifold or anything and you don't want fuel coming out, you have these fittings. And I think they make these for radiator hoses too. I'm not too sure. And then if you want to just connect it back after you finish doing whatever you're doing, push it back in, turn it, that is it. Really sick. So check out his site, jbtuned.com. I did tell you guys that I had a tuck clutch line, but I didn't want to use it anymore because of the location it goes, and I have a tuck radiator now, so just a random clutch line sticking out of my radiator support or just straight into the sleeve cylinder. So I sent him that one back, and he sent me another one back, which is a regular clutch line. Oops, dropped the fitting, but it's pretty much already tucked because I mean it goes behind the motor and everything. And he's also on this on his side, so check that out. And one thing I love that he did, check this out, guys. I just have to heat shrink it though. That is sick, huh? So it's pretty much like how people do the raw wire and stuff, but instead of that it says La Tommy La, which is pretty gangster. Thank you very much, man. I need to do this soon because I still have to return the raw wire one that I'm using for my friend. But we'll have a video on this soon also. And of course I still have to paint this lip. I think I might go pick up the paint after I finish all this. I ordered this from Summit Racing. You guys know me, I buy a lot of stuff from Summit Racing. They ship so fast and prices are pretty good. Vibe Performance. This is a cash can. I did say that I wanted to get rid of that and tuck my fuse box, and gonna run this cash can in the front. So it's a lot more cleaner and not too many hoses going around, because I do have a lot of like A lines and stuff. So let's open this up real quick. It does come with instructions. Pretty easy to learn. I mean, that's exactly what I'm doing from the valve cover. And I like how they put a B-series valve cover on there. That's funny. Wow, this thing is pretty big. Okay, I have no idea if you guys can see that, but this thing is ginormous. So it is like breather cash can. The filter's right here. So there's 2-10 fittings on top for, of course, your hoses that you run from your valve cover or wherever you're going from. And it has a dipstick, so you can check if it's full or not. And also this giant piece right here, you can actually rotate it and you can swivel it around pretty much and figure out where your mounting position is and how you want to route your lines. And the one thing I actually like about this is the bottom has a -8 drain plug, so you can easily drain it. And it is baffled too. which is what you guys always want to buy, baffle cash cans. So I'll open it and then he'll be in the background. He'll just tell me like what it is, I guess. So I guess we'll have more like videos of him like detailing and stuff. He buys all his stuff from Auto Geek. What is this? The foam pack for the tire shine or the trim. Oh, okay. So it is for when you do your tire shine and stuff. Oh, okay. So like you put tire shine on top or your moldings, you rub it on top of your tire or whatever. And then it's cool because it has a lid. So no dust or nothing could get into it. Black Onyx tire dressing. This is like natural shine, right? So natural shine, not super glossy or anything. Yeah, clay lubricant, which is what we used in the video. Another one, spray nozzle, that's for the clay lubricant. Guessing. Another one. Damn, how many did you buy?
No, it comes with it.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Alright, that's it for this one. Also from Auto Geek. He said he has 2 more boxes coming from them. And then that's when I guess he's gonna get down on the Civic and we'll show you guys when he details his car even though it's already clean. Makes no sense, right guys? Liquid.
Oh, that's the wax.
Oh, liquid wax. What is wax? The best. How much is this?
$30.
$30 a bottle, guys. He uses the good stuff. And wash mitt, fancy wash mitt. The crates for the bucket method. So
Traps the dirt.
yeah, he has all that. So hopefully we get to show you guys how he properly washes his car. So those crates that he bought, this is for scrubbing your towel or whatever you're using to that wash mitt so all the dust or dirt comes off. And that's just another one. And I need to clean all this up and then we'll get to explaining where I'm placing the cash can and all that stuff. So looking at my engine bay right now, I originally planned to put this cash can right here, but it seems like it's way too big now. And yeah, especially because the fittings, I'm gonna need a 90, but it needs to sit lower in order for me to even like mount it there. So it's kind of hard to say where I'm gonna mount that. I was gonna mount it right here so it's not in the way or anything, and I was gonna mount it right here, but right here will fit, but there's no point because I can't even drain it unless I drill a hole down there, but I don't want to do that. Or put it right here or something. Like I just have to figure out where I want to mount it, because like right here I feel like it would be perfect too, but I just have to see the clearance on the hood though, because this portion of the hood does come down a bit. So I just have to figure out where I want to mount it, and then I'll let you guys know in the future, or I'll let you guys know later. But that's the new cash can setup. If anything, I might just end up keeping that and just getting rid of that, but we'll honestly see. It's too like soon to even like know where I want to mount it. But how I was explaining last time too was I was missing the clips for the spark plug wires. I finally got them. Thank you very much, always, Lee. Lee is the MVP over at Honda. Like, real shit. Like, damn, I'm gonna get demonetized. But yeah, he helps me out a lot. Yeah, before I even met him, I used to like get hookups at Honda too, but now it's just like it's a lot easier. I don't have to go there. I just let him know through a text. Yo, do you have this? He'd be like, yeah, don't worry, let me look it up for you. I'm like, all right, how much? He's like, all right, order for me. Let's go there, pick it up. That's it. I don't have to walk in and be like, yo, you guys have this? Nah, we don't. You gotta wait tomorrow. I'm like, all right, so I don't have to waste my time. So thank you very much, Lee. And yeah, I got all the grommets, or not the grommets, all the little clips for the spark plug wires. So I just have to figure out the orientation on these. So I'm just gonna Google up an image and see how it looks, or how it is, and then just mount it in there. And then I'll show you guys right after. But let me take it off and show you guys what it looked like right now without these clips. It's just like all jumbled up in there and everything. Oops. Took off the spark plug cover, and I know this one just goes on the wire itself. And then all these little 10mm spots are for the brackets. Here's one. I think this one goes right here actually. Yeah, this one goes right here. I haven't looked up the photo on Google or anything. This one, yeah, I think I just have to take them all apart and then figure it out. And for those of you that don't know how to say my YouTube name, is still a big problem. It's La Tommy La, or you can just be like LA Tommy LA. I know a lot of people do that, but it is my last name. See, Law Tommy. So that's just a heads up. I don't know why I chose a complex ass YouTube name. Well, it was my Instagram first, and then it just originated into the YouTube channel, and now it's like I'm at 20K now. I was like, it's too late to change it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, everybody just knows that La Tommy La now. But I'm gonna figure all this out and show you guys after. I'm gonna cut off that zip tie and make it look OEM spec. This thing got a little confusing, but I googled it up. That clip goes there, that clip goes there, and now I just have to snap all these clips in, the wires. I think, I forgot. I think this one goes right here, if I'm correct. No, it goes right here. Nope. This one goes right. Nope. Damn it! This one goes here. No. This one goes probably like this. Yeah. Nope, that's not the right one. I'll show you. Hold on. Oh, damn. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out again. I decided to take off this one because the clip, this one right here, it sits too low and it sits right on top of the wire. I think if you have OEM wires, it won't touch it, but it's touching these ones, and I don't want to ruin the wires, so I'm gonna put these two back in. I'm gonna use these right here just so it could like sit up, and then run these across here, and just gotta figure out how to run it. All right, first off, I want to say thank you very, very much, Lee. But I guess I ordered too much things and I was only able to use like one clip. These clips right here, there's no room for them, I think, because of the wire. And also these, I didn't use them because they just get in the way, because the spoon wires, they have these little cover, or what is it, little heat shrink things for where the ground goes, and it just gets in the way. So I just use this one, which is the one that goes next to the VTEC solenoid, and all these, they will stay where they are, and cap will fit right over like that. And I mean, is at least I have this, because yeah, before I just had a zip tie, but I guess I just use it like this and just leave like this. But yeah, I guess, you know. But now I have to figure out all those fuel line fittings and everything. I was gonna run this fuel filter behind there, and I just gotta make some space down there. I'm eventually gonna change out the wire. I feel like that's a meme now, just like the red wire thing in my bay. I just have to get rid of that too, and slowly working on it. I have to go pick up paint today to paint this. I'm trying to mount this on in the next video, like 2 days. I forgot what I was gonna do, but I was supposed to do something today. But I don't know, I think I'm just running errands all day, because I work tomorrow, and after I have 3 days off, and 3 days off, that means I could do a lot more to the car. And yeah, and I still need to order a new reservoir, so I need to do that really, really soon too. I keep lagging on it. I kind of just been lazy, especially like after coming back from Japan until now. I've just been working on the car, and it's only been like 5 months. I've just been working on the car, and kind of just need a little break, you know what I'm saying? But it's hard because like I want to work on the car, but I still have to make content for you guys. So what's going on, guys? First off, I want to apologize in advance. Lately, I've been recording just like segments and all that from different type of days and just putting it together, because I've just been busy, and you know, I feel like right now is just like my break time, like taking a break from work on my car. Hope you guys understand that. But today I have some good news. I actually was up in the LA area and decided to might as well go pick up my side skirts from Nima's garage. So I drove like, from the 5, went east, and yeah, I got to Nima's garage to pick up my side skirts, because my side skirts have been sitting there for I think 2 months now. It took 3 months to come from Japan, and then they just sat there for 2 months because I was waiting for a time to drive up there, and also waiting for my rear bumper, which I think the rear bumper comes in next week. So huge shout outs to Nima's garage for always getting me my parts from Japan, especially the ones that no one really buys, I think, because these are in fact Jbtuned side skirts. Now if you go to ICB or Nima's garage, no one really puts this on their site because I don't think no one knows too much about them. But Jbtuned, which is the brand of that bumper, Jbtuned does make side skirts, but I guess it's only on call or whatever you just want to order it. So yeah, I got a set of EK side skirts here, and gonna rip it open real quick and show you guys what they look like. But we will not be mocking them up today. It's extremely cold outside, and gotta run some errands. I gotta go get some shipping supplies and ship stuff out. And then probably have a mock-up video of that with the bumper tomorrow probably, or whenever I record it. Oh, also, I did just buy this Allen wrench because a lot of you guys are complaining that I don't really have an Allen wrench. Some like generic one. As long as it doesn't scratch the corners, then we're good. Oh man, it has that weird smell, like how I, like when I opened up the Jbtuned bumper, it just had like that weird smell. I'm really excited to install this kit. I know some of you guys are like off about me putting the kit on the car, but honestly, I actually didn't buy this for the hatch. It came after I actually ordered this, the shell. I actually ordered these for my coupe, but luckily these side skirts will fit the hatch. And I'm gonna take one out. I'll leave the other one there. Oh, well, don't want to drop these. If you look at the side skirt, so I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys see that line? That's the same line that gives off on the bumper. It comes off the side of the front bumper and then arches into the side skirts. And like the bottom, the same. I'm guessing these are the mounting points, but I actually might not use these mounting points. And there's one up here too, because I don't want to drill into my frame or anything. We'll figure out a different way to mount them. And hope I don't hit the wall. Jbtuned, made in Japan, fiber craftsman. You see, kind of arches. And I know for a fact this is, yeah, this is the front. And that is the back. So a very nice piece. I think it'll make my car sit probably an inch lower if I'm correct. But it's really hard to say. Really nice. The only issue I'm having if I install these is, so the lines, how they protrude out, it's gonna be hard finding or seeing if my rear bumper that I ordered will work with this kit. So I will have to mock it up and see. And also, I don't know if it's gonna go well with the C-tire lip. So we'll just have to wait and see. But really nice side skirts. Go with that bumper. But I will have a separate video for this. And I feel like I've just been unboxing stuff. Now, if you got this far in this video, drop a comment if you guys kind of know what's up with this car. So I know it's a sudden change of pace in this video, but something that we're about to do to this car, you guys will have to wait and see for the next, I think it'll be probably in the next couple of videos. I'm very excited to announce it. But yeah, if you got this far in the video, you guys will probably know, or drop a comment. So don't listen to others, just keep voting and stay tuned for what we have in store for this. Peace out, because I'm actually really excited. It just went down.